Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today I want to present you the ToughGuard car kit, the high performance surface protection coating. ToughGuard will keep your car protected for more than 5 years and also give it a glossy finish and therefore enhance the appearance of the car on the road. More details about the ToughGuard Nano technology can be found in the link in the description, but now let's see what is inside the ToughGuard car kit. And great news is that you can apply the product by yourself. No need for special equipment or polishing, you can do it by yourself in around 2 hours time. So the car kit contains these things. First one is the step 1, use it for deep cleaning and degreasing surface. Step 2, nano surface protection. And the third thing in the box is the SpeedGuard, hybrid ceramic coating as final layer for extreme level of gloss. Now let's apply this on the car. So step 1, on pre-washed vehicle, use step 1 for degreasing and deep cleaning of surface. Mix it in bucket with 2 liters of clean warm water. Step 2, on dry clean vehicle, apply 1 rich layer of step 2. Wait for 2 hours, allowing step 2 to cure and bond with surface. After step 2 has dried and cured, use a dry, clean microfiber towel to buff off step 2 residue. And now comes a time for SpeedGuard. As a final coating, apply SpeedGuard on wet, clean microfiber towel and wipe the surface of the vehicle. You can apply SpeedGuard also on windshield and other glass surfaces. After 10 to 5 minutes, gently buff off the excess SpeedGuard. And now finally, let's see the results. Extreme gloss and shine of paint with hydrophobic characteristics that repel dirt and enable easy cleaning and maintenance. You can also see the immediate dry surface. Details about ordering this product will be in the description. Price is €114.90 plus delivery costs. And great news for you guys! If you use the code CrossPotter13, you will get the 10% discount. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And of course, if you are interested in product, you know where to go. Everything is in the description. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.